on, guys. You can't keep hitting your brakes. We're on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah. Really bad that we can't see through this fog. You can see through this fog.
Come on, guys.
Keep up. Oh, there's another one stuck.
It's because it's a hill, and if we don't keep going up the hill, then none of us gonna get up the hill.
Keep going.
I don't think the camera's going to get how beautiful that is. Are we going to sit here and everybody talk about it and think about it? He's stuck.
We've got people turning around.
Look, Dick, you can't do that. Better shut that off.